Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to Math is Easy, step by step. So there's another GED Math, HiSET Math type of test question that you may see, and there are a lot of word problems. Hey, let's get a little practice with word problems. If your daily drive to work takes 35 minutes one way and 35 minutes back to your home 5 days a week, what is your total? I'm going to push this up here and then pause. What is your total drive time spent during the work and, I'm sorry, to work and back home in a month, given only 4 weeks are in a month? Give your answer in hours and minutes. So I'm going to go back, I'm going to reread this again because with word problems, the first time I go through, I read it just to kind of understand what's happening here, right? Then what I do the second time is I try to gather up information. So this time I'm going to read through a second time, try to pick out some facts. So if your daily drive to work takes 35 minutes one way and 35 minutes back to your home, 5 days a week, what is your total driving to work and back home in a month, given only 4 weeks are in a month? Give your answer in hours and minutes. So, a few things we want to make sure we gather all of the facts. And so, in the next portion of these videos, I'm going to go over how to do that. And again, if I'm going too fast, please stop, pause, rewind, watch this video as often as you need to in order to get those facts. Now, you have a test question in front of you. You'd be able to do all of that with the test question. All right. So is the answer A, 18 hours and 35 minutes? Remember, your answer has to be in hours and minutes. Does it take 2 hours and 30 minutes a month of driving to and from work? C, 23 hours, 33 minutes, or D, 19 hours and 30 minutes?